Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. Alright, let's open up our settings first and let's get access into developer options. To do it, scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. Now, scroll down a little until you find device identifiers, and on the bottom we have build number. We need to tap on it a few times, just like that. If you have your screen lock set, you might need to type it just like me. We can see on the bottom that we are now a developer. Let's go back twice, and now go into system, and on the bottom we have developer options. Simply tap on that. Now we need to scroll down until we find a few options that we can change. Let me show which one exactly. Transition animation scale, animator duration scale, and window animation scale. You can see that all three of them are currently set on 1x, but to boost the speed and the performance of our device, we can select them completely. We can turn them off, or we can at least put them on 0.5. Simply don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. Personally, for me, the perfect balance between 1x and off is 0.5, so let's select all those options on 0.5. Everything, of course, is up to you. Now let's scroll down a little because we have last thing that we need to change: find apps and background process limit, and change from standard into at most 3 or at most 4. It's up to you. I'll select at most 3. That's all in developer options, so we can go back. And next thing is checking up, do you have some possible system updates? So let's select that, system updates. I have just updated my device, so I don't have any updates possible. But if you have that possibility, you can click on check for updates. Oh, and actually, I have one update that I can still download. So in my case, I will select update later, but if you have a possibility to download, you should do this ASAP. It's always good to have the latest version of your software. Thanks to that, our device will be working in the best way. Now, let's go to the app side a little, and let's get into apps. And in here, simply, if you have some unused apps, you'll be able to see them here. It's like a suggestion to us that we should simply delete them because they're only taking our storage space away, and that might be the problem why our device is working slowly. So it's always good to check that. We can also click on the not the default apps, my bad. Click on see all, and in here, if you have some apps that you're not using, you can delete them, but be aware that some of those apps on that list are the system apps, and deleting them or force stopping them might cause some bad problems, so you should avoid that. Simply only uninstall the apps that you have manually downloaded. So for example, if you have some games, you can delete them. Same thing with the Facebook, it's not like the system app, so don't worry. The Firefox, it's only the browser. And also, for example, Clash Royale. It has been downloaded automatically, so it's game, it's not the system app or anything like that. So you can easily delete that. Also, in some apps, we have possibility to clear the cache. I think that in my case, it will be available in the Chrome, so let's tap on that. And now, click on storage and cache, and if you have possibility, simply click on clear cache. Don't worry, it doesn't delete any of your data. Cache is simply some junk files that are stacked, and it's always good to clear them by clicking this button. You can see that the cache has been cleared. Alright, now let's get back. If you want, you can also click on the storage right in here and click on free up space. Thanks to that, you can get some more storage space and your device might start working a little bit better. I'm wondering, do we have some power mode on the battery, but I think that we don't have. Sometimes it's available, but in here it's not. And the next thing is, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. Simply open it up, type cleaner or cleaning. You'll have a whole list of apps that you can download. But remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about that app and the ratings from other users. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is how to perform a reboot. rebooting our device regularly, for example once a week, it's completely enough and even suggested, and it's simply useful for our phone's performance. Because during that process our phone rests, we can say it in that way, and also the RAM gets freed up, so it also might help with the speed of the phone. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart. Now as you can see, the screen has been turned off, and now within a few seconds the device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.